So the family room makeover continues. However, I am taking a sidebar because I want to do a short lesson about how we hang our artwork, where we hang it, how we decide where to hang it on our walls. So here is my art that I will be hanging. Now, the rule of thumb is the midpoint of your artwork should not sit higher than just about 5 feet 2 inches on your wall. The highest I go is 5 feet 5 inches, which would be 65 inches. So make sure whenever you're hanging your artwork, you try to follow that rule because it makes sense, right? So the artwork doesn't sit too high and then you have to crane your neck to see the artwork. So I'll show you guys the system that I use to decide where to put my nail on the wall to hang my artwork. So the first thing I do is I decide I'm going to go 65 inches off the finished floor. So that's 5 feet 5 inches. So I measure from the finished floor. And I put my mark. That's 65 inches high. Then I take my artwork, which is already strung, by the way, to be hung. So I take the artwork and the string here, I'll measure from where it peaks to the top of the frame. And for me here, it's actually 6 3/4 inches up to the top. So then I'll go back to the wall and measure from where I put the dot for the 65 inches. I'll measure 6 3/4 inches up from there. Okay. So I put my mark, and then that is where I'm going to put my nail. And so when I hang my artwork, it should be fine. Now I have another artwork on the other side. That's the same process I'll use. So when I'm done, they should look square across the top. So my nail's in, and I'll hang the artwork or the wall art. That's it. So that is how, so you can see definitely that the artwork is at a good level where I don't have to crane my neck to see the artwork. So that's the system I use to know where on the wall to hang my artwork. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, tell somebody about it, and leave a comment below. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you can be notified of new videos with lessons, tips and tricks, and recipes from my Jamaican kitchen, plus lots of projects that you can do. Okay guys, so become a part of the community. Go ahead, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.